Hello students, welcome to the permutation combination part 6. Here we'll learn suppose India. So how many word meaning or meaningless, meaningful or meaningless can you make by this using that that is required 5 digit, 5 alphabet word. So see here I is two times, here also. So suppose if had it been different, like I1, I2, it would be like I1 N D I2 A and I2 N D I1 A. It will be same if I1 is equal to I2. So for any two I if I1 is replaced by I2, like similarly you will see this also I1 I2 D A or N I2 I1 E A. Both are same. So that means we have to divide by factorial 2 because this two thing can be mitigated only when we divide by factorial 2. That means answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is factorial 5 divided by factorial 2. So if suppose one more I would have been there, like in this one I3. So I1, I2, I3 can be arranged by how many ways? Factorial 3 ways. So if 3 would have been there, then we would have divided by factorial 3. Let us see some questions based on this. Like find the number of permutation here 1U, 2U, and 3U are there. There are not repeated. Then how many are there? Find the number of permutation. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So factorial 6 divided by factorial 3. So this will be the answer. Now come to the second question. How many arrangement can be made by the letter of words calculator? So how many which first C, here also C. So here C, here also C, here A. This one is also A. Okay. So how many are there? 2A are there. And total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then the answer will be factorial 9 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 2. This will be the answer. So that is equal to 30240. Now, in how many ways this arrangement vowels occurs together? So vowels, how many vowels are there? C, L, C, L, T, R. Then vowel is A, U, A, O. Four vowel are there. Four U, C, L, T, R. So how many vowels are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. Then it is a total 9 no calculator. C A L C O L A T O R. And A how many? A this one 2. L how many? 2. E U how? A A2, L2 and A3. Calculator. Say A is 2. A is 2. L is 2. So this one is also 2. And total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that will be factorial 10. So, so this will be answer. And how many these arrangement vowel together? So vowel together, that means this will be together, and this will be, and this one's suppose one entity, because together we have learned earlier that it will be a separate entity. So how many is there? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. So total will be how much? Factorial 7 divided by this one is 2, L is 2, and C is 2. C is 2 factorial 2 into factorial 2. And this how many ways this can be arranged? This can be arranged by factorial 4 by factorial 2. So the answer will be how much? Factorial 7 2. So the this will be 1260. So this will be 1260. And this will be 12. So if you multiply both, you get 15120. So that is the answer. You understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one 7. Because this has to be together. So we'll have to assume this is a one entity. So one entity, then total 7, factorial 7. So factorial 7 and this C 2 times. So divided by factorial 2 and this L 2 times, so divided by factorial 2. Now 4 vowels, but 2 are same. So 4 multiplied by 2. So this way we will solve. Now we'll be solving few more questions. Like find the number of permutation later each of the following words. That is Divya. So all words are different. So that is very easy. 5 words, 5 letters. So factorial 5. Factorial 5 is 120. Second, Santaram. Santaram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 is there. And A how many times? One time, two time, and three time. So that will be factorial 9 by factorial 3. So Santaram will be factorial 9 by factorial 3. That is equal to 60480. Now come to the question number 3. So here E. E how many times? 3. Any other? No. E 3 times. And what is the 2 times? R 2 times. This one and this one are 2 times. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So factorial 9 divided by factorial 3 and factorial 2. Now combine. Here you see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And anything repeating? Anything not. So that will be factorial 7. Is factorial 7 that is equal to 7 equal to 5040. Now come to the ball bharti. Ball bharti age repeating. Age repeating 1, 2, 3. And B is also repeating. B is repeating. B is also repeating. So total number is 1. Total numbers of letter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So factorial 10 by factorial 3 for B and factorial 3 for A and factorial 2 for B. This is for A and this is for here R factorial for R and this is for this is for A. So now come to the question number 2. Two identical book in English, two identical book in English, and three identical book in Hindi, and four identical book in math. Four, three, seven, seven, and two, 9. So that will be factorial 9 divided by factorial 2, factorial 2 for English, factorial 3 for Hindi, factorial 4 for math. Now come to the a coin is tossed 8 times. In how many ways can we obtain four head and four tail? So four head and four tail. So factorial 8 by factorial 4 into factorial 4. That is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by factorial 4. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial 4 will remain factorial 4 by factorial 4. This get cancelled. So India this 2 is equal to 70. At least 6 head. At least six head means 6 head, 7 head, 8 head. So 7 head. 6 head. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 head. 2 tail. Or 7 head. Or 1 tail. Or 8 head. This can be done by one way, factorial by factorial 8. This can be factorial 8 by factorial 7. That is equal to 8. This is factorial 8 by factorial 6 into factorial 2. So this is 8 into 7 by 2. 8 into 7 by 2. So that is equal to 28, 8, and that is 1. So total will be 37. Now come to the next question. So a bag has 5 red, 4 blue, all one by one and arranged. How many different arrangement can be found? So 5 red, R, 4 blue, blue, and 4 green, green. So how many ways it can be done? So totally you calculate, that is 13. 4, 4, 8, 8, 5, 13. 13 divided by 5, 5 factorial 5, factorial 4 into 2. So this will be the answer. Now come to the fifth question. Find the number ways arranging letter the word mathematical. In how many these letters can have all vowel together? So first mathematical. So 1 T H M T C A L C A. Now A how many times? A 1, 2, 3 times. A 3 times. And how many times E? How many times E? E 1 times. And I 1 time. So this is consonant and this is vowel. So M how many times? 1 and 2. And T 1 and 2. So total 3, it is 7 and this is 5. So that is 12. So total will be without any vowel segregation, that will be 12 divided by factorial 2 for M, factorial 2 for T, and factorial 3 for A. Now this all has to be together. So this you take one entity, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 8. So that will be factorial 8. Then these are same. So factorial 2 divided by factorial 2 into. This also can be arranged by how many ways? Factorial 5 divided by factorial 3. So this is the answer. Now come to the question number 6. Maharashtra. How many these arrangements can have letters R and H never together? So first you make it that without any condition. Then M A H A R R A M A H A S T R A, and then R R H H. See how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So M how many times? A how many times? A 4 times. A 4 times. R how many times? R 2 times. Or H how many times? R 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 to 4, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how it is coming? Acha, this is nothing. So 11. So total is how much? 11. 1, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah. 8, 9, 10, and 11. So total without restriction, how many ways it can be done? 11 divided by factorial 4, factorial 2, factorial 2, factorial 4, 4, A. 2, 4 will which one? 2, 4 R, and 2, 4 H. So this is factorial way can be done. Now R and H should be never two are together. So what is the condition? Letter R and H never together. R and H should be never together. So let R and H be together. Make it R and H together. So R and H can be made together by how many ways? H can be together. R and H should be together. So how many ways it can be done? So RH is that a full you take is as a one entity. So in one entity will take, then how will we solve? 1, 2, this is 7, and this is 1. Then in factorial 8. So factorial 8 divided by this all are factorial 4, and this also can be arranged by factorial 2 method. So if you deduct this one, then it will come. So let us solve the problem. How to solve it? That will be equal to, if you calculate this factorial 2 and this one h for this one also in factorial. So you calculate this, it will come 10080, and this one, how much this one will come? 4141580 minus 10080. So this will be the answer. What is equal to 40570. Here means even R also cannot be together. So this is the answer. Now come to the question number 7. Question number 7. Is the question number 7. How many different words are formed if letter R is used thrice and S and T are used twice? R is used thrice, S and S and T are used twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is equal to factorial 7 divided by factorial 3 divided by factorial 2 divided by factorial 2. So these many words can be found. Now come to the question number 8. Find the number of arrangement for Mumbai so that letter B is always next to A. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So B is always next to A. So AB or AB or AB or AB or AB. This is the five ways AB can be arranged. And the remaining number word can be arranged. So the remaining word is 1, 2, 3, and 4. The remaining is 4 and 2 is repeating. So 5 into 4 into divided by real 2. So that is equal to 60. So 60 is the answer. Now come to the question number 9. Find the arrangement in the word constitution, then begin with N and end with N. So how many N is there? 2N is there. So 2N position is fixed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So remaining 11, 10 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which is there? O is there. C is there. O is there. N gone. S, T, I, T, U, T, I, O. And then is fixed. So these numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will be factorial 10. And O how many times? 2, 2, 4, O. And what is on I how many times? 1, 2, 3, 7. I 2 times. So factorial 2. And 3, how many times 3? Which one? T. T how many times? 1, 2. This is for T and this is for R. So answer will be factorial 10 divided by factorial 3 factorial 2. So this is the answer. Question number 10 is one of the toughest questions. So we'll discuss many things and then we'll do. So word is arrange where 2R is there and 2A is there. And remaining NG is there. So how many each arrangement do not have 2R and 2A together? So first make that how many word can be made. So it's 437. How much? 437. Factorial 7 divided by factorial 2 and factorial 2. So this is equal to 1260. So this is 1260. Now it is telling that how many arrangement R do not have 2R and 2A together. So let make only 2R together. So 2 together means, so 2R, take it as one entity. So factorial 6 divided by factorial 2. So that is 360. So this is what 2R together. Similarly, 2A together. 2A together. Factorial 2 6 divided by factorial 2, that is also will be 60. So you make it like this. Suppose this is 2A together. 2A together. And this is 2R together. So what will be this one? Both A and R together. So both A and R together means A and R are remaining NGE. So this will be how many? This one will be many together. So this will be how many? This is one entity. This is also one entity. So this is one entity and this is one entity. So the total will be factorial 5. And this is factorial 2 by 2. This is factorial 5. So this is factorial 5. That means 120. So both AA and RR together is equal to 120. So this is 360. This is 360. And this, so this will be what? This will be, this hedges portion is at least AA or RR together. So at least RR, so at least AA and RR together is equal to how much? 360 plus 360 minus 120. So that is 720 minus 120 is 600. So that is 600. So 1260 is what? 1260 is complete. This one is 1260. So this will be what? Apart from this hedges area, this area and this area, what will be this? This cell will be this one. Do not have 2R and 2A together. So this will be 1260, 1260 minus 600. That is equal to 660. So once again I'll repeat. First we'll make factorial 7 total. This much numbers can be, this much word can be made 1260 without any restriction. With RR together, how many can we make? 360. With AA together, how much they can make? 360. But here, this is also possible that RR and AA both together in this also, in this also. So at least RR or AA together will be 360 plus 360 minus 120. That is 600. So 1260 minus 600 will be what? Neither RR together nor A. That is equal to 660. Now come to the question number 11. How many 5-digit number can be formed using 3332? This one. A distinct 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 digit. So this can be made 3322, and this one is remaining 4, 5. So this becomes 2 ways, or 3, 2, 2, 4, 5, or 2, 3, 3, 4. So this is the way. So how many ways are there? This also can be 2 ways. So 2 into factorial 5 divided by factorial 2 into factorial 2. So this get cancelled, and this will be equal to 5, 4. Will be how much? 90. This will be how much? 90. 2 into factorial 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Factorial 5. This 2 times, this 2 times. But this can be filled by 2 ways. Either you fill with 4 or 3, 3, 2, 5. So 1 or 2. So both you will have to add. This one is this one. That will be 90. How? 2 into 5 into 4 into 3, 2 by 2. This get cancelled. It will be 60. And this will be factorial 5 divided by factorial 2. So that is also 60. And this is also 60. So total 180. So 180 will be the answer. Now come to the question number 12. Find the number of distinct Find the number of distinct number formed using the digit, so that odd position will be covered by odd digits. So which one is odd? 1, 3, 4. So odd position you occupy, given odd position by odd position. Nine. So this four place will be occupied by four, and this even place will be occupied by even. So this will be factorial 4 and 2 factorial 3. Factorial 4 into factorial 3 is equal to 180, 144. Okay. Now come to the question number 30. How many six-digit number can be formed using numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? How many are divisible by 4? So first, how many? 4, 9, 9 is same. So factorial 2. So factorial 2. This many numbers can be formed. That is equal to 360. Now it is telling divisible by 4. So two digit divisible by 4. So two digit divisible by 4, that will be 24, 56, 52, 92, 64, 92, and 96. And remaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 are consumed where? Here 6 are, 9 are consumed where? Here 9 is consumed, and 9 is consumed. So here will be only one 9. So that will be factorial 4. This will be factorial 4. This will be factorial 4 by factorial 2 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. So what will be the answer? 4, yes. 2 into factorial 4 into how many? 4. 2 into factorial 4. And this is factorial. So this is 48, and this is equal to 24. This is also equal to 24. So total 96. Now come to the question number 14. Find the number of distinct word can be found later word Indian. How many them have? How many them have the two ends together? So two and together. So first, how many can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So factorial 6 by factorial 2 equal 10. And two ends should be together. So I, D, I, A. And this I also now. So this is equal to how many? 180. Now I, D, I, A and N, N. I, D, I, A. I, D, I, A, N, N. This has to be together. So make it one entity. One entity, that means factorial 5 and factorial 2i is there. So that is divided by factorial 2. So this is equal to 60. Now come to the last question. Find the number of ways arranging letters in the word platoon. If two O are never together. So make two are together and minus it. So total number of how many? Factorial 7 divided by factorial 2. And for two O together, PLAT and OO. So make it 6. So that will be factorial 6. So that you have subtract it, then it will be how much? Factorial 6 you take common, and then it will be 7 by 2 minus 6 minus 1. So factorial 6 divided by factorial 2 into 5. Factorial 6 means 720. 725 divided by 360. That is equal to 1800. 1800 will be the answer. And consonant and vowel occupy the alternate place. So how many vowel is there? Vowel 3. Or consonant how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 consonant and 4 vowel. Well, 4, 8. So consonant can be occupied factorial 4, factorial 4, and vowel can be factorial 3 by factorial 2. Factorial 3 by factorial 2. So that will be the answer. So 4 into 3 into 2 by 2 and 2, 6. That is equal to 72. 72 is the answer. Thank you.